Hey good people, welcome back to the vlog. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm talking about things that we're looking for in the market, and it's kind of fitting because I'm on my way thrifting. But this vlog is about what I'm looking for, and you probably could relate also because maybe you're looking for some of the same things. I'm currently looking for things for the house, things for my closet, a job, and I'm inviting you to take this journey with me. So if you're not a subscriber, please hit subscribe and leave me some comments. This is a two-way street. I want to, get some ideas from you, and I also want to share some. So let's do this whole thrift thing. Who knows what we're going to find, and that's the part that I love. All right, so I got my keys. I wanted to use the camera today, but I couldn't find my right battery. But here's my bag, because I'm in Jersey, they don't give bags. All right now. What's wrong with that? I don't even want to tell you what time it is. It is over, so it's 5 o'clock. So that means I've been in the thrift store for 4.5 hours. Again, it's 5 o'clock. And that means I've been in the thrift store for over 4.5 hours. Found a couple of things I'm happy about. I narrowed some things down. Now I just went to Popeyes, I should say. Got a little something to eat because I'm hungry, and the last thing I want to do when I go home is make something to eat. Probably going to make a little chicken salad later on tonight, and when I get home immediately, I'm going to take a little nap. But I'm running into Home Depot because I have some things that I want to hang. And what's going on at the home is, if it is not serving a purpose, it has to go. So I have some things that's just sitting there that I haven't hung on the wall or I haven't put in its space. I'm looking to find a home for these things that I have at home. If I cannot find a home for them, they must go. I'm not a hoarder, and that's how I keep my sanity and keep myself from not doing that. So let's go into Home Depot, let's get some nails, and let's keep it pushing. So I promise you, I came home and I planned to just, kind of get in my house coat, chill out, take a nap, then get down to business. Because what I wanted to tell y'all is I am on a job hunt, looking for a little job assignment, something that can carry me for a little bit, because I got something exciting coming for my brands. I'm having an app build, and we are very, very close. Shout out to my partner if he's watching. So he's been working diligently, and my patience has been, I want to say, considering pretty decent. If you see a comment below from him, pay it no mind, but I'm doing the best that I can. I'm really excited, and wanting to start yesterday. So in between, a girl has a mortgage and other bills that need to be paid. I wear a couple of hats. I am a mother, a grandmother, and those things get expensive. Plus, just taking care of me is expensive. So and you want to make contributions to different relationships. So, you know, you gotta have a couple dollars for that. So, yeah. But I got a call from my daughter. She asked me to go on a Walmart run. Now, I didn't have no intentions of doing no other run, but I'm on the porch waiting for her. So, me, her, and grandson, we on our way out to do a little shopping for I don't know what, but I'm taking y'all with me. What's my grandson in here? Hey, grandson. Grandson, where we at? Why they took Walmart word off of there? The letters. Huh? Oh, redoing it. Oh, okay. Try not to touch that.
I got things doing.
Right. Here we go. It's like a rubber bit.
That's so cute. Because you're not a little girl.
Right. You don't need no hopscotch. So.
Well, they got a bunch of other ones down
Hello? Say hello? 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 Get your hello on, man. Hello?